This is a civil defense message for Saturday, June 23rd at 4:30 in the afternoon. Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports that Fissure 8 continues to erupt with a full channel flowing to the ocean at Kapoho. Gas emissions from the fissure eruption and at the ocean entry Lay's plume continue to be very high. Currently, there is no immediate threat, but persons near the active flow should be prepared and heed warnings from civil defense. Due to current volcanic activity, the following is provided for your information. Avoid the lays at the ocean entry. Health hazards of lays include lung damage and eye and skin irritation. Monitor VOG and air quality conditions online using the Hawaii Interagency VOG Information Dashboard, linked on the Civil Defense website. Due to frequent earthquake activity, residents in the volcano area are advised to monitor utility connections of gas, electricity, and water after earthquakes. On the eruption, the following is provided for your information. The total homes destroyed is 637. The area that has been covered by lava is 6,144 acres. Disaster assistance is available island-wide to individuals and businesses in Hawaii County that have been affected by the Kilauea eruption. You can register for disaster assistance with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, also referred to as FEMA, in person by visiting the Disaster Recovery Center by calling 1-800-621-3362 or online at disasterassistance.gov. The Disaster Recovery Center is open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and is located at the Keao High School gym. The Disaster Recovery Center is staffed with representatives from FEMA, the U.S. Small Business Administration, and state and county agencies. For more resources on disaster recovery, please visit the county site. We are on watch 24 hours a day for your safety. This is your Hawaii County Civil Defense Agency.